Hey, what's up, everybody? My name's Josh. Um, I'm learning C++, and I figured why not just share everything that I'm learning along the way? Maybe it can help out some of you guys out there. So, we're starting at the most basic program. It's going to be Hello World. So, how to print something on your screen. I'll go through the program, I'll explain what each line is really doing. And then just let me know if you have any questions along the way. Okay, so we got our program up. There's a couple things that we will need from the start. First one is going to be include IOStream using namespace standard. Then we have our main function using curly brackets. The last thing that we really need is a return. Every time you open up a program, you're going to see something similar to this. And here's how I try to think of it. So whenever you're using include, these are going to be, think of them as like pieces of your library. If you don't have any, if your computer doesn't have the information, it won't be able to understand what you're trying to tell it. So for example, if we did not have this little include IOStream, if you tried to use a cout or cin line, it's not going to understand what you're typing. You'll see a lot of different libraries, a lot of different includes throughout the programs that you do. Next one is using namespace standard. So I think of this one as just a way to simplify your code. You could make it without using namespace standard, but what you then have to do is include this before each command that you involve in your code. So I think of it as just an easy way to simplify your code. All right, we got our main function. This is the main reason for your code. What are you trying to what function are you trying to execute? So in here is where you're gonna put all of your content. In this one, we have hello world. We're just trying to print it. So we're gonna have cout with our insertion there, and then everything inside the quotation marks is what the computer is going to print. So in this case, we're going to do hello world. Outside of the quotations, we're not quite done yet, right? We have our expected semicolon after the line. We can end it here. Otherwise, to make it a little bit cleaner, we can have an end line in there. And also notice that how we have these reserved words. As soon as you type them, they kind of turn a certain color. This tells us that the computer has, it recognizes them. They're reserved words that cannot be used for anything else. So looking good there. Final thing to do is to build it. We're going to run it, and we'll see our final product down here. Cool. I hope this has helped you out. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.